Cooking a turkey can be daunting, but if you follow this tutorial, you'll nail it every time. You'll need to start prepping the day before by making a dry brine. This is just a mixture of kosher salt and a little brown sugar, which will help caramelize the turkey skin. Rub the brine on both sides of the turkey as well as a little on the inside cavity. As the turkey rests in the brine, the salt will penetrate under the skin to season the whole bird. After the whole turkey is coated, put it in the fridge uncovered for at least 12 hours. After 12 hours, take it out of the fridge and allow it to come up to room temperature. Next, use your fingers to separate the skin from the breast and rub about 4 tablespoons of butter under the skin and another 4 tablespoons on the outside of the skin. Really massage in the butter and make sure it covers the whole turkey. Once it's coated, tuck the tips of the wings under the turkey and then use some kitchen twine to tie the legs together, which helps keep a uniform shape. Next, pour about 1 cup of water into the bottom of the tray to prevent the drippings from burning, then roast the turkey at 450 for about 30 minutes, rotating halfway. While that bakes, you can make your glaze. Cook sherry vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, garlic, honey, rosemary, and orange peel with 1 stick of butter until it has come up to a boil and thickened slightly. After the turkey has roasted for 30 minutes, remove from the oven and turn the heat down to 300. Brush the outside of the turkey with the glaze and return it to the oven, glazing every 30 minutes or so until 65 to 85 minutes have passed. The best way to tell if the turkey is cooked is by taking the temperature of the breast meat. If it reaches 150, it's cooked. Don't worry, the internal temperature will rise as it rests. Let the turkey rest for about 45 minutes before serving, then carve it up and enjoy. Subscribe to Dished for more Thanksgiving recipes.